First of all, students, I would like to explain what is resonance. So instead of 4 pendulums, I have placed 2 pendulums of same length. You can see pendulum B and C on the blackboard. I have considered pendulum B and C. Now I will vibrate, means I will give free vibrations to one of the pendulum B or D. And the energy how gets transferred, we will see. So students, the pendulum D starts vibrating, and when the pendulum D starts vibrating, it transfers energy to B and B comes in motion. Now again the pendulum B has transferred energy to D. The B is at rest and D is vibrating. Now again D will transfer energy to B. Here B starts vibrating and D is coming to rest. You can see the D has slowed down. Now B will transfer energy to D and B will come to rest. Now D is vibrating. Now D will again transfer energy to B and B starts vibrating. Here D is vibrating, transferring energy to B. Now D has approximately stopped and B starts vibrating. Now B will transfer energy to D. Now D is vibrating and B has stopped. So students, this is a simple demonstration to show resonance. Now we will tie 4 threads A, B, C and D. Students, we have added 4 pendulums. A is the shortest, C is the longest and the length of B and D is same. So according to this formula, T is equals to 2 by L upon G, T is direct proportion to L. Again B and D will be in resonance. I will provide free vibration to D which will be transferred to B, and A and C will be in forced vibrations. So students, D is free vibrations have been provided to pendulum D, and it will transfer energy to B due to resonance having same length. The pendulums C and A are experiencing forced vibrations. The pendulum D will transfer energy to B and pendulum C is the longest. Therefore, now you can see B and C are in same phase. Here B, this is D, this is pendulum D which is transferring energy to B, here B, but C is vibrating out of phase, C. Now B and D are in same phase and A is experiencing forced vibrations. A and C are experiencing forced vibrations. B and D are experiencing resonance. The pendulum D is transferring energy to B only. When the pendulum D will stop, pendulum B, it has transferred its whole energy to pendulum B. C is vibrating out of phase. C and A are experiencing. Now this pendulum D is transferring energy to B. So students, this is the best activity to illustrate the free, forced and resonance vibrations. Okay. Now you can see B and C are in phase, but C is vibrating out of phase. A and C are experiencing forced vibrations, and B and D are experiencing resonance. Free vibration I have provided to pendulum D.